Are you tired of wasting your hard-earned money? There are better ways of spending your cash and using those debit cards. I'm going to show you how to attain financial freedom in your life. Today, we're going to talk about how to reduce debt by changing your money habits. There are so many ways that you can change how you spend and use your money. So pause the video, get a piece of paper and a pen. You want to write down the steps to how to change your money habits.
If you change your money habits, it will mean more money for you, your loved ones, and for you to eliminate debt, save, invest, and give more. Now here's some money habits that you can change today. If you're playing the lottery, stop. Get rid of bad habits, smoking, drinking, drugs, and gambling. If you must have a credit card, carry only one for emergencies. Put yourself on an allowance. Keep track of how you spend your pocket money. Don't carry a lot of cash. Get rid of the ATM cards. It gets you off your budget and is spontaneous spending. Consider joining a credit union. Their fees are usually lower than banks and other financial institutions. Prepare low-cost meals. That'll help you not eat out as much. Prepare large meals and freeze in small proportions. And eliminate or reduce fast food purchases to help save money.
Hi, my name's Char with a C. In order to reduce debt in your life, you must change your money habits. The problem is impulsive buying habits. The solution is actually pretty simple. To overcome this spending habit, just wait 24 hours before making your decision to buy what you want. Here's a money habit tip for you. Start shopping at garage sales, consignment, or thrift shops. And here's a money habit tip for married people. Do not set up your lifestyle that depends on two incomes. Start creating money habits at your job. To do this, make time to eat your breakfast at home before you go to work. And start bringing your lunch to work, snacks, drinks, whatever you're going to have at work. And in order to accomplish this, you probably need a morning time saver tip. So let's do this. Prepare your lunch meal before you go to bed the night before you have to go to work. Here's an investment money habit for employees. Participate in your company's 401k and stock option plans. Employees should also consider investing time in company-paid training and tuition reimbursement, if that is available to you. Employees that work a temporary job, try to get a permanent job with company benefits. Employees that are looking for a permanent job, try to find the permanent job close to home. This will lower your transportation costs, it will lower your gas, it will lower the wear and tear, the maintenance on your car, and it will lower the cost of your car insurance. Change your money habits at your bank. Maintain only one checking account. This will lower the monthly bank service charges and fees and organize your spending habits in just one place. Change money habits with your utilities. Remind family members to turn off the light switch when you leave the room and use low wattage light bulbs around the house. Also, don't run the dishwasher, the washing machine, or the dryer unless it's completely full, because this uses less energy and saves you money. Change money habits with bank loans. Do not go out and get a home equity loan to pay off your current debt. This is like a second mortgage and the interest rates are very high. You actually get yourself in further debt. And here's the bad news. If you make a late payment, the bank can foreclose your home. Change money habits with your insurance. You can raise your deductibles on car, home, and health insurance policies to save money. And if you raise your deductibles, your premiums will be lower. But you don't want to submit a claim if it's less than, say, $1,000 or $1,500. But this is a question you want to ask your insurance company. Change money habits with your entertainment. There are free and cheap alternatives to cable and satellite. Digital TV, for example, through a standard antenna can access many of the channels on your regular TV. And don't forget to check out movies from your local public library online for free. Change money habits with your car. Do not buy more car than you can afford to purchase and maintain on a monthly basis. It can be very expensive. A tune-up can cost anywhere between $40 to $150 or more depending on the type of performance or luxury vehicle that you own. Change money habits with your savings account. Start increasing your savings account using your company raises, bonuses, cash gifts, and overtime pay. And if you get a Christmas bonus, put that in your savings account. Your savings goal should be to save to have an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months of your current income. Change money habits with your investments. Start setting aside a certain amount of money each month to invest. What you do is you have that money automatically transferred to those investment accounts so you can't accidentally spend that money. It's very important to not invest in anything that you don't understand. Change money habits with your vacations. Start planning your vacation at least a year in advance. This will save you a lot of money. When you arrive at your vacation destination, go to the Welcome Center. They have coupons on food and attractions. Change money habits with your taxes. Start doing your own taxes. This will save you a lot of money. And if you make less than a certain dollar amount each year, you can actually prepare your federal and state taxes for free. Go to www.irs.gov to see if you qualify. Create a waste elimination plan worksheet. What is a waste elimination plan worksheet? It's very simple. It's just a piece of paper. It's a list that you write down the total sum amount of the amount that you would like to reduce your monthly expenses by each month. You just write down the money habit, the specific money habit that you're going to start using to achieve this goal. It's very simple. For example, write out on your worksheet, I plan to cut out my monthly expenses by this much money. Then write out on your worksheet, I plan to cut my expenses by taking the following steps, and then list each step on your worksheet. This will hold you accountable. Change money habits by creating a spending plan. Some people call it a budget. List all of your sources of income and expenses. List all of the savings and investments. Update and review your spending plan or budget. And finally, subtract the difference between your income and all of your expenses. Your monthly spending plan or budget will include your total net income. It will have all of your expenses on it. Your home expenses, car expenses, insurance, debts, loans, entertainment, meals, savings, investments, charitable donations, and miscellaneous items. Knowing what you can do without will lower your overall expenses. The lesson to learn here is that you'll be able to see money that's available to you that you weren't able to see before. You can see it clearly in your spending plan and budget. Now you can use this money to help you reduce the debt in your life by changing one money habit at a time. If you liked our Love Reconciled video, hey, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to click below to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified for more Love Reconciled videos. We have a lot more to share and you don't want to miss one. Hey, remember, love God more than anything.
And you'll do right by everything.
We love you.
See you next time.